Good morning, dear students, class 9th. In the last video lecture, I was talking about kinds of present tense. So, as I explained, present indefinite tense, present perfect tense, present continuous tense, and the last one was remaining present perfect continuous tense. So, as I defined what is present perfect continuous tense, you can see here once again. Suppose this is the present tense, this is the past tense, and this is the future tense. As I told you, when perfectness and continuity is included together, that is the present perfect continuous tense. So here I told you when any action started in some past time and continued up to the time of speaking, that is the perfect tense, and when we include continuity of any action, so that is the continuation. So when we include perfectness and continuity, that is the perfect continuous, means when any action started in some past time and then that continues till the time of speaking, so that is the perfect continuous tense, means any action we started in some past time and that is going on at the time of speaking also, so that is the present perfect continuous. As you can see that definition here, present perfect continuous, an action which is started at some past time and is still going on, means when any action started in some past time and still is going on, means at the time of speaking that action is in continuation, that is the present perfect continuous tense. So here the structure, subject, then helping verb, has been and have been, then first form of the verb, object, and since for is added here for time. If the starting point of time of any action is given, in that case we apply since and for. And has been and have been is added. For the single subject, we will apply has been, and for the plural subject, have been is applied. Means for third person singular subject, we will apply has been, and for other subject we will apply have been, and ing form of the verb, and then object, and since and for. And since is applied for the specific time, means the starting time of any action is given, in that case we will starting point of any action. In that case we will use since, and when duration of any action is given, duration of any action, in that case we will use for. In that case we will use for. Suppose I have been living here since 2040, since 2005. So 2005 is the specific time. In that case, we will apply since. And if the duration of time is given or duration of any action is given, in that case we will apply for. Like 2 week, 3 week, 2 years, 3 years, 2 months, 2 days, 3 days. These are the duration of any action. And when starting point of time is given 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 2005, 2011, 2014, so that is the starting point of any time. In that case, for the starting point of any action, in that case we will apply since, and if the duration of any action is given, in that case we will apply for. So the structure is given, and according to structure, as I told you, has been is added with the third person singular subject, and have been is used for other subjects. So like other subject is I, have been. So as I told, I have been, I, subject is I here, have been because I is the subject, have been then verb first form live, and then ing form of the verb is living. Living, and then object is here. I have been living here, and starting point of time since starting point of time is 2005. So in that case we will apply since 2005. So that is the use of since. And for I have been living here for 15 years. I have been living here for 15 years. So here 15 year is duration. If duration of any action is given, in that case we will apply for. If starting point of any action like 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 2015, 2014, 2010, like that, in that case we will apply since. Dear students, this is the positive sentence of present perfect continuous. So this is the positive structure. And how will you make the negative interrogative and interrogative negative of this sentence? To make interrogative or negative, to make negative of this sentence, after the helping verb you have to apply not. You will apply not after the helping verb, then your subject will be the negative. So I have been living here. Yeah, I have been not living. I have been not. I have not been. In that case, before have you have to apply not. I have not been living here. I have not been living here since 2005. So not is applied here, that's why it is your negative sentence. And then how will you make the interrogative of this sentence? To make interrogative of this sentence, has been and have been is applied before the subject. Means your helping verb is applied before the subject. So has he been living here? So that is your interrogative. So has and have is applied before the subject, and then continue. Have I been living here since 2005. Have I been living here since 2005? And then question mark, because have is applied just before the subject and been will be on its place. And then to make interrogative and negative, interrogative for interrogative negative, in interrogative sentence you will apply not after the subject. Have I not been living here since 2005? And then question mark will be there. So like that you can make positive sentence, interrogative negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and interrogative negative of present perfect continuous tense. In the next video lecture we will discuss about past tense.